Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, and I help people learn English in an easy way. Do you want to speak English fluently, but you don't know where to start? Well, the secret is to talk about your daily life. It's simple, it's practical, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's learn together. So, every morning, my day starts at around 7 a.m. The first thing I hear is my alarm clock ringing. I turn it off and stretch a little. I always feel a bit sleepy, but I know I have to get up. I sit on the edge of my bed for a minute just to wake up properly. Then, I put on my slippers and walk to the bathroom. In the bathroom, the first thing I do is brush my teeth. I use mint-flavored toothpaste because it feels fresh. After that, I wash my face with cold water. It really helps me wake up. Then, I look in the mirror and comb my hair. Some days my hair is messy, but today, it looks okay. After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I usually have something simple. I open the refrigerator to see what I have. Today, I'm going to have toast with avocado and a fried egg on top. I also make a big cup of coffee. I can't start my day without coffee. The smell of fresh coffee fills the kitchen, and it's wonderful. While I eat, I sometimes check the news on my phone, or just look out the window. It's a quiet time for me to prepare for the day ahead. Once I finish my breakfast, it's time to get dressed. I go to my closet and choose my clothes for the day. Since I work from home, I usually wear something comfortable, like a t-shirt and some sweatpants. Comfort is very important to me. After getting dressed, I make my bed. My mom always told me that making your bed in the morning helps you have a productive day, and I think she's right. It makes my room look neat and tidy. My workday starts at 9 a.m. I sit down at my desk, turn on my computer, and check my emails. I have a lot of emails to reply to. I make a to-do list for the day. This list helps me stay organized and focused. My job involves a lot of writing and some online meetings. At around 11 a.m., I usually take a short break. I stand up, stretch my legs, and maybe grab a glass of water. It's important to move around and not sit for too long. For lunch, I usually eat around 1 p.m. I like to cook my own lunch because it's healthier and cheaper. Today, I'm making a simple chicken salad with lots of vegetables. I chop some lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Then, I add some grilled chicken. It's a quick and easy meal. While I eat, I like to watch a short video on YouTube or listen to a podcast. It's my little break from work. The afternoon is usually my most productive time. I continue working on my tasks until about 5 p.m. I try to finish all my important work before the end of the day. When 5 o'clock comes, I shut down my computer. It feels so good to be done with work. After work, I like to do some exercise. It helps me relax and clear my mind. Sometimes I go for a run in the park, or if the weather is bad, I do a workout at home. I follow a video on YouTube. Exercise gives me more energy, even after a long day of work. After my workout, I take a nice, warm shower. It feels so refreshing. Dinner is usually around 7:30 p.m. I enjoy cooking dinner. Tonight, I'm planning to make pasta with a simple tomato sauce. I love cooking because I can be creative. I put on some music and start preparing the meal. My family and I eat dinner together. We talk about our day. It's a great way to connect with each other. After dinner, we all help to clean the kitchen. We wash the dishes and put everything away. In the evening, I have some free time to relax. Sometimes I watch a movie or a TV series on Netflix. Other times, I prefer to read a book. Right now, I'm reading a really interesting novel. Reading is a great way to escape and learn new things. I also like to call my friends or chat with them online. It's nice to catch up and see how they are doing. Before I go to bed, I have a little nighttime routine. I change into my pajamas. Then, I go to the bathroom again to brush my teeth. I also make sure all the lights are turned off and the doors are locked. I like to write in a journal for a few minutes before sleeping. I write down 3 things I'm grateful for from the day. It helps me end the day on a positive note. Finally, around 10 p.m., I get into bed. I set my alarm for the next morning. I turn off the lights, get comfortable under the covers, and close my eyes. I usually fall asleep pretty quickly. And that's my typical day. See? Talking about your day is a fantastic way to practice English. It uses simple vocabulary and verbs you use all the time. Now, I have a challenge for you. In the comments below, try to write 1 or 2 sentences in English about your day. For example, I wake up at 8 a.m., or I have coffee for breakfast. Let's practice together. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. I hope this was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos. I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.